Wagwan YouTube, this is Chef Fitzy in the building today. Today we have another recipe, yeah? So today we're in the fish market where we're gonna buy some fish because we're gonna prepare some fish today. Alright? So stay tuned. We're in the fish market today. Trying to get some fish to cook. Plus, guys, I'm cleaning the fish, huh? So we're out here looking fish. We have some amberjack. We have what type of fish is? Dolphin. How much a pound? Huh? I give you two for alright, ma'am. This is the right fish we want today. Alright, you're good? You're doing a video. You're good? How much is it? No problem. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. So we're out here. We are looking. 2 pounds and I cut it off, not 2 pounds off. That's 3 pounds. Alright. As you can see, all the fish shop is here. How much is a pound for dolphin? Cut a pound for me there. Yeah, YouTube, so we're back home in the kitchen again. So today, as you can see, we go and buy some fish. I'm going to show you a simple way you can escovate fish. Simple enough, nothing hard. Alright, so stay tuned. Escovating fish today. Alright, as you can see, we have some black pepper. We also have some Maggi all-purpose. We have some ground spice and a little bit of salt. Alright, we're going to pour this on our fish nicely. And then we're going to rub it in. Alright? It's time you rub them in properly, you know. You want your fish to taste nice, yeah? So we have some parrot fish, we have some doctor fish, yes. Almost a parrot and doctor we have today. Tastes nice. I think we have 2 red snapper there too, as you can see. So I rub them in nicely. And then we're gonna leave them to marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna fry them. Alright? Remember Easter coming up, you know, so I start up my fish recipe from early. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna start fry them. Alright? Alright, so here we're eating our oil. We have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to wait till the pot extremely hot before we put in our fish because we don't want our fish to stick to the bottom. Alright? You can basically cook it on a fire of 250 Fahrenheit. Alright? So wait till our pot extremely heat and then we put in our fish because we don't want to get our fish stick to the bottom of the pot. Alright? So we place our fish into the pot. As you can see, I have 3 fish in the pot. I don't want to put a lot of fish in here for the fish to look, the pot to look crowded. And the fish needs space to fry properly. Alright, so 3 fish is enough for this pot. Alright? Alright, so about 5 to 7 minutes for each side. Ensure that it browns properly. You don't turn the fish too often because you don't want it break. So about 5 to 7 minutes for each side of the fish. Alright? Alright, as you can see, our first set of fish is out. And now we have the second set inside. Alright? Alright, so we're going to start preparing our garnish. Here we have some carrot, we have some white onion, and we also have some scotch bonnet. Remember, we're doing the simple escovish fish today, alright? So we're going to prepare the garnish. So here we have our pot to prepare the garnish. Alright, we're going to add some white pear vinegar inside of it, about that much. And then we add some pimento seed. Alright, about that much. And then we're going to leave it. And then we're going to put in our rest of the seasoning after that. Alright, so we're now going to put in our carrots, our onion, our scotch bonnet. We're going to leave it there at boiling point. Cover our pot. and leave it there at boiling point for about a minute. Alright, so we now are going to place our garnish on our fish. Yeah? Place our garnish on our fish nice like that. Garnish all over it. All over. So look at it. There you have it. So gorgeous, beautiful. Alright? So that's just a simple way how to prepare escovish fish. Jamaican escovish fish. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.